this is Sarah Cassins. Thank you for joining me for a bags and beauty video. This is a very special video because we get to show you our spring summer enrollment kits. And my consultant who loaned this to me got the Ultimate Go-Getter kit, and so it's the biggest one. So I can actually show you what you get in the biggest one, the medium, and in the small. So I'm excited. It's a brand new box. It's really heavy. It comes in a really cute pink box. A lot of consultants like to keep these to use for display or as a memento. I'm going to try to be real careful when I cut into this so she can keep it if she wants. Okay, so I'm just going to open it and talk about things as I go, and then at the end I'll show you what comes in each kit. So right on top is a packet of papers to show your insiders and potential consultants. There's also our Gives Opportunity flyers. This is all the paperwork you need to get your business started. Oh, and then we have a window shopper. So this has been in our catalog for a couple of seasons and is definitely a favorite of mine. You can see it comes with a crossbody strap. It also has these handheld straps. I really love this because you can carry it under the crook of your arm or crossbody style. And this is the new stone color. So it's like a gray with a little bit of warm tone to it. It almost has a bit of a gray rose feel. And it's got our signature cell phone pocket on the back. So right off the bat, you're gonna get a nice purse. And she did the pick your own print set, and she got a lot of great coordinating options. So this is the Canyon Weave print expanding travel case. It's really nice for carrying your shampoos, body wash, full sizes can fit in here. And this, again, this Canyon Weave is a nice warm taupe print. And so this is what it looks like on the inside. It's all expanded. So you can see you can fit your full-size bottles in there or a whole bunch of little bottles. Got a handle expanding case. Oh, I'm excited about these. These are so fun. Snack and Go pouch. This is our washable pouch. This is a bigger size than the Snackers. You can actually fit a whole sandwich in here, a full-size sandwich. You can fit a couple of cans of soda in here to keep them cool. Perfect for your lunch break, snacks. And that's in our new peach print. And then we have Move It All bag. This is the same volume as our stand tall bins, but it's a little bit more portable because it's got backpack straps. So it'll hold just as much clothing, laundry, whatever you decide to store in here, but you can carry it on your back, so it's a little bit easier to move around. These are great for college kids. It's got a cinch top, so this is going to be really nice for taking your laundry to a laundromat or taking it to a different floor of your home to wash. Also really nice for packing, especially if you're going to have a nice long trip. And this is in our light camo. Next is another travel option. This is Away for the Weekender in Morning Floral. So the Morning Floral and the Peach, and we got one more print, all coordinate. So look how cute these look together. So it's got the same color palette, so you can mix and match the prints and they still coordinate. Our Away for the Weekender is perfect for airplane travel. You can put your whole weekend's worth of clothes in it. It comes with a crossbody strap as well as this really comfortable shoulder strap. I actually prefer the shoulder strap on this one. We'll find. So on the inside, oh, I love the green on the pockets. That's a really nice detail there. So here's the crossbody strap. It's always hidden on the interior pockets. And then there's a front zipper pocket here as well. So this is great for airplane travel, as I said, because you can put it in the overhead bin or in front of you. Next is our Modern Tote. This is another favorite purse of mine. And again, it's in the stone. This one she got embroidery on, so you can see this beautiful new embroidery design. I love the color choice here. That pop of hot pink tied in with the warm gray of the stone print. So it's a nice wide tote. This is one that's going to get you through the day carrying all your essentials. It's got nice deep straps. I'm going to try it on. You can see how nice and deep the straps are. Very comfortable. It also has our cell phone pocket on the back. This is so much stuff that you get when you become a consultant. I cannot believe all of it. And she made some really nice coordinating choices here with these morning floral as well as the peach. And then there's one more print here at the bottom, this nice stripe that's in the same peach and green. This is our Fresh Market Thermal. Now this is always such a popular style. It's $48 full price, but you get it for a really great deal when you buy the enrollment kit. So this is always on everybody's wish list, as well as the purses. So this is a great way to start off your business by getting all of these at a huge discount. So the Fresh Market Thermal is really popular for grocery shopping, picnicking, family events, because it holds so much and it's got our leak lock lining. So it's great for putting ice right inside. Oh my goodness, there's so many goodies in here. I can't believe it. Okay, again in the stone, because like I said, we got all nice coordinating. This is the mini ruby. This is the junk drawer of your purse. So this matches both of the purses that she got, so she can easily take this one in one purse and into the other. You put all your band-aids, tissues, lipstick. All right, next we've got the tiny utility tote. And this one has embroidery on it as well. It says "Just Breathe" with a dandelion. Now these are really great, especially for Easter, which we're going to have this spring. I also want to show you the Littles Carry-All Caddy. This is another great little gift vessel, but I want to show you how they fit together. So you can fit one inside the other and have different compartments for organizing. I was trying to say compartmentalizing, guys. I can't say it. I cannot say it. And we've got in the peach, we've got the zipper pouch. Now this is a great place, if you're a new consultant, this is a great place to keep all your catalogs. This is just the right size to keep your catalogs inside your big tote. So I'm going to show you again this peach. And look how even cute it goes with the sloth. It's got that same green in it. The sloth. That's going to be a very popular print this spring. Such a nice coordinating set. More peaches. So when you do the build your own kit, you get to pick your favorite prints. You can mix and match and have a bunch of different ones, or you could coordinate it like she did. I love this coordinated set. So this is our thermal tote. It gets really flat when it's empty. When you open it up, it's great for an adult lunch or a child's lunch. Lots of room in there. It's a very classic style that we have here with 31. An essential storage tote. Again, in the peaches. Love this print. Makes me want to buy some peach print stuff. This is another great reusable shopping bag for grocery shopping, great for library books. And when it's fully open, it is about the same size as a paper grocery sack, just to give you guys an idea. And here is our stripes that I was talking about. This matches the peaches as well. Same color scheme as the peaches and the flowers. This one is called Sunlight Stripe, and this is the zip top organizing utility tote. I'll show you those two colors together. I love that mix and match of prints. So our zip top organizing utility tote is a fan favorite. This one has been around for several years. Everybody loves it and keeps coming back. I love the detail on this one, especially with the fun straps as well as the fun print. It's got 7 exterior pockets. 5 of them are solid like this. 2 have the mesh pockets that are really awesome for drinks. So this is a great one. You can carry your paperwork in it. You can carry your baby's needs in it. Everything. This is great for many different uses. All right, you're also going to get a big old pack of catalogs so you can share with your friends and family to get your business started off right. Those aside, some mini catalogs. And then at the bottom is our top sellers right here at the bottom. We've got All About the Benjamins and a matching wristlet strap, again in the stone. Her whole purse set's going to be this beautiful stone color. All About the Benjamins. You have your easy access ID slot. This is just for packing. That comes out. Easy access ID slot. All of those card slots in there. This place is where you can put your checkbook, your phone. There's a coin section and more card slots back here. So this is our #1 selling wallet because you can carry your whole life in here. All right. And then we have our #1 seller, large utility tote. Again, in that beautiful floral. Again, these stripes on here match the other totes too. And then the deluxe, the next size up, the deluxe utility tote is the next size up from the large. I'm going to do a size comparison. So look at that. So even the straps match, the white stripe and the green on the deluxe and the large. So the large is the floral and the deluxe is the stripe. So you get all of that when you enroll as a 31 consultant and you pick the ultimate goal getter. It is a value of $769. So everything I showed you, that's how much it's valued at. But when you enroll with this kit, it's only going to be $179. So now I'm going to pull out all the pieces that come in the medium kit, which is $99. Okay, so I'm going to go back through and find all of the things that come in the medium kit. So that will be the large utility tote, the Fresh Market thermal, Fresh Market thermal, top sellers here. And then we've got the modern tote that you get to personalize, the essential storage tote, All About the Benjamins and wristlet strap, thermal tote, tiny utility tote, little carry-all caddy. Let's see what else. Oh, and zip top organizing utility tote. Thank you. So you get all of that for $99 when you enroll with the Signature Favorites Kit. I'm going to see if I can hold it all up. So much! Look at all this! I can barely even hold it all. So you get all of this for $99. Alright, so then I'm going to show you what you get in the small kit, which is, okay, so the $99 kit is valued at $431. Then the Basic Bestsellers kit is just $59. And in that one, you still get the zip top organizing utility tote, the large utility tote, the thermal tote, the Littles carry-all caddy, the essential storage tote, and the wallet. So in this one, you don't get a purse, but you get all of the totes and the thermal. All right, so that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for checking this out. I think that this is the best way to start your business off, and I love that right now you can pick your own prints. So you can make your own coordinating set in your favorite colors. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.